Hi Stampers, it's Super Awesome Stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, USA. In this video, I will show you how to make this cute tag topper. It's part of my Suite of the Month for September 2021, where you purchase the suite of products, in this case the Tidings of Christmas suite, and then I mail you the make and take kits so you can make the kits along with me. So let's get started. In your kit will be 2 pieces of this basic white. Now it's 2 pieces, and they are each 1/6 of an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. And one of them, well, we're going to stamp on both of them. But on one of them, you're going to stamp your stocking and your bow. And then you'll run it through your embossing machine and die cutter, and you'll get these pieces right here. So in order to do that, you'll use that stocking die cutter or die cut piece and the bow. Run that through your die cutter and you'll get the pieces that I show right there. This is from the Christmas Trimmings die set. Okay, and then I didn't stamp those back there, but I think I might. Now, oh, I see. I don't think I added my stamp to a block. I got the block out and then I didn't add my stamp. Okay, so now this piece of paper doesn't much matter, the size. It is a 1/6 of an 8.5 by 11. So it's 4 1/4 inches by about 3.7 inches. And I'll put the metric equivalent below, but it's just 1/6 of an 8.5 by 11 piece of basic white cardstock. So I'm going to fold that in half. And then this pattern piece comes from the Coordinating Designer Series paper pack, would have been included in your suite of products, Tidings of Christmas. So this paper measures 6 by 6 or 15.2 by 15.2 centimeters. I cut off a 2-inch piece, which would be about 5 centimeters, and then just folded that in half. So then I will slip that over the top right there, but I wanted to jazz up these sides there. So for this one I'm doing with you, I'm going to stamp behind there too. I'm not sure why I opted not to look at or stamp on the back. People look at the back sides of things. Okay. There. I think I like that better than just the plain right there. All right, cherry cobbler ink pad, we're going to close that up. All right, now is just assembly. Grab your favorite adhesive, and again, since I'm on location, I limit the amount of supplies that I bring with me, but usually I can get by with some of the tear and tape and my dimensionals, which is exactly what I packed. And some on the back side. And then pull these backer sheets up. And then I am just lining up the crease marks with the crease marks, just eyeballing it, and then trying to make sure the pattern paper comes together at the bottom. And then just press down. And then I added the stocking. So grab your dimensionals. I've packed my mini dimensionals today. So you can go ahead and use these outer pieces. You can just take a scissors and cut them, or you can just rip them just like I did. Make sure you use all of the sheet of your dimensionals. Put that towards the bottom. And then I'm going to actually use a mini dimensional to go behind the bow. It fits perfectly behind that bow. Make a tag. So from that piece of paper where you cut your stocking and your bow, go ahead and grab one of the sentiments from your stamp set. And, oop, I shouldn't have shut my ink pad. Cherry Cobbler again. And we're going to do the cheers. From our home to yours, just towards the bottom, because I'm just going to fussy cut that. Let that dry for a second. While that's drying, you can go ahead and grab your paper piercing. Well, this is your paper piercing mat. Your paper piercing tool, which is your tip of your paper snips, or it could be your take your pick tool. And mine seems to have rolled off my work table here. Let's see if I can find it quickly. Oh, yep, it's underneath the ledge here. Off to my right. So I'm just gonna fussy cut that out. There is not a die that cuts this sentiment out. So fussy cutting is what you'll have to do. All right, and then just put a hole through there. Make sure you've left enough of that white so you can punch a hole through. There, I opened up the hole a little more. That'll get it through right there. All right. All right, so let's do a knot. And there we go. So another problem is I'm trying to do this off the spool, and that spool is not working with me today. It's on the wrong side of my workstation. All right, and then I'm just gonna cut off to maybe there. There. Okay, and if you don't like the way your tag is going or which way your bow is going, go ahead and grab a glue dot to put it where you want. So actually, I put a dimensional underneath. So let's grab one. I actually grabbed a chunk because I wanted that to stay where I want it to stay. Just like that. And bring that bow up and around. Okay, so then you fill your treat bag. And then what I recommend doing is, once you put your treats in your bag, and I don't have any Christmas treats to put in my bag to show you, I would seal it down with some tear and tape because it's super sticky adhesive. So put your treats in your bag, take your adhesive off, and then seal it down like that. And there is your little gusseted cello treat bag using the Tidings of Christmas suite. It's part of the Sweet in the Mail for September 2021. Go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com to get more details about my Sweet of the Month program. The September 2021 Sweet of the Month featured the Tidings and Trimmings suite, which includes the Tidings and Trimmings stamp set and this die set and the Tidings of Christmas paper. So it's all double-sided. You get 48 sheets. And flip it over. There's the patterns, the vivid patterns right there. All right, and included in the suite is also a roll of ribbon, which was on back order when I ordered my products. So I didn't use use the ribbon in my projects. All right, thanks for watching. This is Super Awesome Stamper Shirley Merker. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you know when I'm load new content, and we'll stamp with you soon. Bye.